aggravated battery in '05, robbery in 2011, 2 years in Leavenworth. And now murder, huh, Terry?
Hell, Layla must have been an absolute panther in the sack, am I right?
You two met at the sex club. She started whispering in your ear how much she loved you. Wish you could run away together. But the only way that could happen is if Asher's bye-bye.
And you started thinking to yourself, why should this clown have all the money and the girl?
Here's what you don't know. Before you killed him, your girlfriend switched out the diamonds for fake ones.
What the hell are you talking about?
I'm talking about two people who had a plan. One was smart. The other one was you.
No. She's saying this to try to get me to roll.
It's fake.
Terry, we have you trying to fence those. We have you showing up at Museum for the money. We have a cab driver putting you in Asher's murder scene. I mean, you're cooked.
Close your mouth.
Look at me.
Not until you smell it.
I want you to think straight for me now. Because there's a lot riding on this. In terms of whether you take this ride alone, or if you can lace him off on the wife. Do you have any phone calls, or emails, or witnesses? Anything other than just your word that Layla was involved in this murder and theft?
She didn't like to talk on the phone or anything like that. She said Asher went through all her stuff.
So the only time you two talked about pulling this off was at the club?
Yeah. It was all her idea, though. We were supposed to run off together, I swear to God. I swear to God.